How to naturally grow your hair faster and longer. Want to make your hair grow longer but in the most natural way possible? The truth is, there's no magic pill or DIY hack that will give you a Rapunzel hair overnight. When searching for ways to grow out your hair, you must also consider the many factors that contribute to hair growth or lack thereof. It can be due to genetics, hormones, heat damage, you name it. The good thing is you have several options to grow your hair faster and longer using natural remedies. What's more, some of the ingredients such as apple cider vinegar and egg yolk are commonly found in most households, which we will be examining closely next, so stay tuned. Number 1. Massage your scalp. A healthy scalp is a defining factor for healthy hair growth. Research reveals that a scalp massage has positive effects on blood pressure, stress hormones, and heart rate. A natural and simple way to promote hair growth is to treat yourself to a scalp massage. You can do it with dry hair or add some nutrient-rich oil. Number 2. Use onion juice. This natural remedy is one of the oldest yet also most effective ones. Its efficacy is mostly thanks to the sulfur ingredient that improves collagen production in the tissues. In turn, this aids in the regrowth of hair. Don't be too bothered with the smell, it will go away after one rinse. Number 3. An egg yolk mask to prevent breakage. The secret to healthy, thicker, and fuller hair is to ensure that the quality of the hair shafts of each follicle are good. Such quality of the hair follicles is crucial to natural hair growth, so consider using an egg mask. Eggs contain protein and lecithin, which work to nourish, strengthen, and heal your strands. Number 4. Do a hot castor oil treatment. Castor oil used to be the unsung hero of the world. Thankfully, it isn't the case now, as it's been a common fact that castor oil is excellent in growing hair faster. For starters, it contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that combat scalp infections, which prevent the hair from growing. It's also packed with nutrients and vitamins that can retain moisture into your hair and keep it healthy. Lastly, massaging the oil into your roots is the best way to promote hair growth. Number 5. Rinse with cold water. Washing your hair with cold water every day is believed to provide an added boost of hair growing power. The cold water lays down the outer layer of the hair more smoothly, preventing moisture loss and heat damage. It may seem small, but this one extra step can actually make a great difference over time. Number 6. Shampoo less to lock in moisture. Are you one of those people who skip conditioners when showering? It's time to stop that habit now. If you want to wear your hair long, then this is the worst thing you can do. Rather than doing away with conditioner, it's the shampoo you should be avoiding most times. Shampoos are filled with harsh chemicals and ingredients that remove the natural oils you need for long, healthy hair. The important thing is to start treating your hairline early. What are your thoughts about this video? Comment them below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.